To study or to reveal different properties of a nanomaterial, such as size of a nanomaterial, such as the shape, the morphology. Morphology basically means the surface architecture, what is the surface look like, whether the surface is smooth or rough, the porosity, like the pore size, for example, if you want to know the pore size of a material, the crystal structure of a material, whether the material is basically single crystal or polycrystal. We use different probes to search all these properties. Probes basically mean because of these probes, it reveals the information about the material nature, like the size, the shape, or whether the one dimension or zero dimension, or two dimension or three dimension. All these informations revealed by these probes. So the old technique basically a researcher used was optical microscopy. And here the probe was basically visible light. And this is the old technique. Basically, with the help of this technique, images were taken, and because of those images, we reveal about the structure of a material or the surface of a material. But the resolution or the magnification is very, very low here in this case. So nowadays, people use modern techniques to reveal very deep information and to get magnified images and high resolution images. I will explain in the next video what is this resolution and magnification means basically. So here the first one is basically X-ray base. X-ray here used is a probe here. The first technique is X-ray diffraction. It is also called wide angle X-ray diffraction or scattering. These two techniques are basically same. Similarly, another technique which is based on X-ray is a small angle X-ray scattering. This is another one in XRFS, the fluorescence based technique. And the last one is XPS, which talk about the chemical states of a material, right? The oxidation state or something. So this means that these X-ray based techniques are very, very powerful to reveal most of the information about nanomaterial. Now, another technique is basically electron based probe. Here we use electron as a probe here. This is electron is a probe to reveal information about a material, and we know that scanning electron microscopy, fuel emission electron microscopy, transmission electron microscopy, scanning. In all these techniques, basically we use electrons as a probe to search about material, to reveal the information about material. You see here, you can see electron diffraction. This is also called a selected area electron diffraction, electron energy loss spectroscopy, EDX. So in these all cases, we basically use electrons, right? Now, we also use neutron is a probe here. Neutron is a probe here, but these are very less common techniques to my understanding in material science people use. So this is basically neutron diffraction. That is also called small angle neutron scattering. So these techniques also used to reveal most of the information about a nanomaterial. So neutron is also a probe, and people also use ions. Ion is a probe to reveal information about a material, such as secondary ion mass spectroscopy. So this was all about the different probes we use. We use visible light, X-rays, electron, neutron, and ion is a probe. Probe means to search something.